Rio worry. Housing concern for some Jamaican athletes sweeps social media. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Lorraine Samuels. The Consumer Affairs Commission on textbook prices.
An update on the Seaview Gardens sewage concern.
Spat in Portmore Council over hurricane preparedness.
Why one church leader wants a change to the Jamaican coat of arms.
In the business day, Carl Samuda makes a case for exports to Venezuela.
There's also sports commentary, as well as primetime weather in this package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What is your reaction to concerns from Brazil about the state of accommodation for some Jamaican athletes?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.